Do you feel like your mind is working against you, trying to protect you from discomfort and fear?
Well, it's time to take control and reprogram your mind for success.
When the alarm clock goes off, it's time to act.
Don't waste even a millisecond thinking about whether it's easy or hard, whether you want to do it or not.
It's time to embrace an emotionless, thoughtless discipline and get up, get out of bed, and do what you're supposed to do.
This is the way to live a purposeful life.
Your mind is a powerful tool, but it can also hold you back.
It knows your deepest fears and insecurities and can direct you away from discomfort.
But it's time to break through that barrier and take control of your mind.
If you're struggling to make money, remember that the opposition wants you to give up.
You must be willing to go after everything as if you have absolutely nothing and no one with you.
Don't leave Earth with the tank half full.
Don't believe everything your mind tells you.
Reprogram it and tell it that you've got this, even when things get tough.
Greatness is earned through small, daily improvements that seem insignificant at the time.
Kobe didn't become Kobe overnight.
It takes sacrifice and discipline to achieve great things, and the greatest things in life take both.
Suffering can introduce you to your highest self, building confidence and helping you become the person you want to be.
Failure is nothing to be afraid of.
In fact, failing and getting up again can make you 10 times more of a man than wondering what if and never taking the gamble.
It's time to be not all right to get all right.
You have to go through something to know something.
Embrace the struggle and take control of your mind, and you'll be on your way to success. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without subscribing to my channel. By doing so, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge and resources that can help you take your success to the next level. So don't wait. Click that subscribe button now and start your journey towards success today.